Okay, so now we've got the entry-level combo kit, and as the nomenclature combo suggests, this is a combination of the entry-level spur kit and the entry-level rope kit. So you're going to get your Buckingham tree gaffs as a stock item with your stiff wrap pads, and you'll get gaff guards included with that. And as I've said before, upgrading to a set of pole gaffs is just a $5 difference. Keep that in mind. Depending on where you live, where you work, pole gaffs are oftentimes the best option. We still have the Buckingham split suspension, split D sit harness in here, excellent quality. We've still got our little throw line kit, 10 and 12 ounce climb right weights, our Marlowe throw line. Still, as always in our climbing kits, we supply the Jeppson's Tree Climber's Companion. Because you have a spur system in here, the stock option is the 12-foot 5/8 climb right lanyard with your pirate carabiner and your climb right rope grab adjuster there. And then 150-foot Arborplex with your hitch system, 2 Roccos, 9mm Rit, and your SMC slack tending pulley. Now, one thing that I would suggest if you're going to be working back and forth, this is that entry-level kit. Certainly think about maybe adding the Bigfoot lanyard that comes in the rope kit to this system. And, if it's in the budget, upgrade to a sewn tie-dye on your Arborplex. So that's your combo kit available at WesSpur Tree Equipment.